Hey, put on me girl, I like you. Talk to me girl, I like you. Bad thing, you should say. Bada thing.
If you are someone that wants to know how to start a brand new business for less than £100, then you need to check this video. Grab your pen and papers, guys. Grab them. Grab your iPad. Go and get it. And let's begin. Hey guys, welcome back to the Minute Hustle. I go by the name Jaden, and today I'm going to bring you another brand new episode on how to start a business for just £100 or less. Let's not waste too much time. Let's get into this one. I'm excited about this one. Look, if you are someone that loves to craft, right? And I know there's so many people out there that can craft, and it doesn't matter what it is that you craft, right? Whether it's clothes, whether it's baby toys, whether it's cards, whatever it is that you like to craft, right? I'm gonna show you how to take your craft and push it to the next limit. For those who've never seen these episodes before, I break it down in full detail and give you all the information that you need to start this business, especially 4 important key features that you need to start any business, right? So check this. Number 1, understanding your niche. Your niche is the most important thing in any business, because if you don't know the people that you're selling to, how are you gonna sell your product? You need to know who you're selling to, and having the right niche is the most important thing, because you have some people that sell stuff or try to start a business and they're attacking the wrong niche. And the best thing about a niche is if you could bring 2 different types of things together. And that's really hard to do, right? And an example of this is, right, someone might sell birthday cards or make cards, right? They make cards and then they sell their cards, and that's what they're doing, making and selling, right? But if you made cards and then had a specific type of niche that you were selling to, for example, Disney, you decided to make Disney cards and then you were selling to Disney, that becomes a whole new thing. Or if you decided to make custom cards where you can put people's names and stuff like that, that becomes a whole new thing, right? Because now you can charge for different things. You can say, well, if you want this custom made like this, you can do this or you can do that. And that's the beauty of crafting, right? It's just understanding how to push it to the next level. So your niche is really important, and in this respect, your niche for this is anybody. People that want to craft and people that want to buy your crafts. This is targeting both people that want to craft, learn how to craft, and people that want to buy your crafts. This is powerful. Check this. Marketing. How do you market something like this? So at the moment, people go on YouTube, they upload their YouTube links and they show videos of what they're doing. And another thing is people throw them in Facebook groups. So you could, whatever it is that you decide to make, you can throw it in Facebook groups. I would definitely recommend Facebook groups. Etsy. If you don't know about Etsy, Etsy is a good thing to use when crafting and, you know, trying to sell your products to people, because yeah, I mean, everybody knows about Etsy. If you don't know about Etsy, it's a crafting site which allows you to sell your products. You know, just go and check it, Google it, go and Google it. I'm not going to tell you this stuff. I'm going to tell you the things that you need. I will tell you the things that you need. So yeah, for marketing, I would use Etsy, I would use YouTube, I would use, you know what? I would even set up Pinterest as well. I would set up a Pinterest, and then I would, all the crafts that I put on my YouTube and all the crafts that I put on my Etsy, I would link it to the Pinterest. So when they see it on Pinterest, they can click the link and boom. So keep that in mind in respects to marketing this idea, right? Because you know what, some people, let me push this away for a minute. Some people have so many great ideas, especially when it comes to crafting, and my mum's one of them. She makes these nappy babies, yeah? She makes them, and not just that, she does so many different things when it comes to crafting. She makes nappy babies, and I know some of you guys know about nappy babies, but she takes things like mirrors, tables that are wood chipped and broken up, and then she re-cleans them, man, refreshes them up, makes them look nice. Mirrors got all that diamond-y stuff all around it, and I'm thinking, damn, this is serious. What if she recorded everything she did? And I keep telling her, record all your stuff, because that will give you another way to market your stuff. Because there's two things you need to understand when it comes to crafting. One, you can craft as many things as you want, right? But if it's time consuming, then what's the point in doing it? What is the point in doing it? Because you don't want to do something where you're crafting and it's taking 2 hours to make or 1 hour to make. It's just time consuming, which is why this is gonna work really well. Because even though it's gonna take you an hour to make this one thing, with the second part that I'm talking about, which is what I'm gonna say in a second, it's a game changer. Because now what you have is 2 different ways to make money on one thing, which is crafting. So look, every time you craft something, record it. Record everything you craft, yeah? And then once you've recorded it, I want you to take those videos, throw them into a folder on your laptop or whatever you got, and then title it. Call it anything that you want, right? Because we're gonna use these videos and we're gonna be DIYs and how-tos. Because people always want that. People always want to know how to make, always want to know how to craft. And I guarantee you, people are always on Amazon and all these other sites trying to find these videos on how to do it. Yeah, you get it on YouTube, but if people are smart on YouTube, they would take all their videos, compile it into one whole model, one whole video package, and then just sell it. And then you can choose the price that you wanted to sell it at as well. And I'd make it cheap. I wouldn't do it at like high price. I'd just do it like $3.99 or $4.99, and they just get like 10 videos. You know, because you're crafting all the time. You're crafting this, you're crafting that. So it's not hard for you to craft these things. So one, you're selling all your crafts in one place at 12 quid here or 50 quid here or whatever prices you're charging for your crafting. And then two, you're making money over here because you... That car tried to take my life. Are you mad? Mess up my video. Where was I? So yeah, one side you're making money because people are buying your crafts, whatever it is that you're making, you know, because some people do like the bracelets and the jewelry. That's nice, man. People are buying it there. And two, you're selling it to people who want to learn how to make the jewelries and stuff. You're giving them step-by-step guides. Guys, this is a winner in both ways. This is such a serious business. I might look at it myself. I'm not good at crafting all things, but I know there's some things I can craft. And if you're clever, this is what I'm saying. This is why I'm saying anyone can do it. You can go on YouTube and see the step-by-step guides that people are offering for free, learn it, and then sell it yourself. But the way you sell it is by doing bulk videos. You do step-by-step guides on all different crafts. Learn how to make jewelry, learn how to do nappy babies, learn how to refurbish things and make them fresh. People will love that, man. You imagine you open up, you buy a package that shows you how to craft loads of different things. That's a game changer. That's a game changer in my eyes. And especially you're selling your crafts as well on top of doing this. So look, let me pull back the word pad, yeah? So yeah, that's marketing. Now we're talking about cost. How much will it cost you to set this business up? I think at the maximum, this will probably cost, it will charge you for Etsy, right? Etsy charge 20p per listing. So if you decided to craft 10 items, and you can keep crafting them over and over again, Etsy will charge you 20p per listing or 20 cents per listing. That's roughly £2, yeah? So you upload your 10 crafts, which you know you can keep recrafting, and then you throw it on Etsy, and then people will just keep buying them, and you keep crafting and sell it to them like that way, right? So you're making money that way, yeah? But on other places, it costs you nothing. Nothing. It costs you nothing to upload on YouTube. It costs you nothing to... Oh, does it cost you to sell on eBay? They probably take a few pence on eBay. But apart from that, you're not losing that much money. What, $3.99, 10% is 39 pence. Okay, we'll put 39 pence. What? So if you decided to sell your bulk video packages as a digital download for people on eBay, Amazon and all everything there, Man, you're making money. You can even do it on Etsy as well. You can even upload your digital pack of videos on Etsy. Just throw it on there and let them download the digital pack. Forget eBay, forget Amazon, just do it all on Etsy. Because people go to Etsy a lot and it's such a successful website for crafting. And now you've turned a standard business, what you do which is crafting items and selling to this person, selling to that person, to teaching others how to sell as well. And you use the YouTube for free, you use your Pinterest for free to promote it and market it, send them straight to your Etsy. Say, listen man, I know you like buying this. Some people go, oh, I really like that. Oh my God, they show me how to make it as well. Oh, buy that, click, done. Just pay it, it's done. How much do you charge people? This is the fourth one, profit. How much profit do you make on each thing? So like I said, when it comes to crafting, like the videos, I would just throw them up like, I would make a package of 10 videos because it's not costing you anything to do. You can set your phone up, your iPhone up, and then you can just record everything that you craft. I mean, the crafting side, that's down to you. Like if you're making 10, 20 pounds, I'm gonna go on the basis that every time you craft something, you're making 10 to 20 pounds. Because I know my mum, she makes like 20 pounds per craft, sometimes 30, 40. Right, but let's go on the basic that you're making 20 pounds for your crafts, yeah? And you're knocking out, you don't have to do lots. You can just knock out, what? 3 crafts a day or 2 crafts a day at £20, 2 crafts a day. Let's say you do 2 crafts a day, right? So you throw the 2 crafts a day on there that you're doing and you're selling like nappy babies or you're selling jewelry, 2 crafts a day and that's £20, right? Each. That's £40 just there, just for the crafts that you're selling there. Then you've got the video package that you're offering, the how-tos, the DIYs. I would knock that up for $3.99 and you know what? I can't even guess the price on this because I can guarantee you it will go really, really high. When you're offering a digital download, the price is endless, especially if you're offering a bulk package as well. 10 videos on how to do this and how to do that and how to do this, how to make this, how to make that, how to make jewelry. Oh my days, that will fly your hand. Listen, this could probably sell like 20 in one day. And if you're knocking it at like $3.99, which is £4, you do the 4 times 20, what is that? That's like £80. That's £80 profit just on that alone. Just because you don't know how many people are going to buy it. Listen, there's millions of people on Facebook, millions of people, because you can throw it on Facebook groups, millions of people on Facebook, millions of people on Etsy, millions of people on YouTube, millions on bloody Pinterest. It's not hard to sell to 20 people at $3.99. 20 people. You could fly your hands, man, and people will pay it as well because when you're offering someone, you know, a bulk package of 10 videos and it's different things as well, and what you can do is later on add another 10 videos, and if any new class you've got, throw them into a pack and throw it up for people to download. Keep it cheap. Don't go more than $3.99. If you charge $10.99, forget it, I'm going on YouTube. You can charge me 10. Take my phone out now. You try to charge me $10.99 for craft? Oh, fine YouTube. I don't care. Charge me £10 for craft. Oh, fine YouTube. How to craft. How to craft. Craft. What you show me? I'll find this now. DIY, I'll find it myself. You ain't charging me £10. Oh, DIY. DIY, let people DIY how to make a TV monitor. Oh, find all of that. What's this? DIY wedding invitation. You try to charge me £10? Oh, watch this video now with you. Oh, what? You're watching it. After the advert.
Thin lip strip dye thing. I used it. Look how many times I used it. There's 100 invitations. There's 2 bowls per invitation. So
Oh, watch that.
100 times this sucker went.
Because if you're gonna charge me, I'll make you watch it with me. So don't charge people £10, yeah? Just charge them like $3.99 is nice. I think that's great for 10 videos. That works. I can't even work out what it is. What, like 10p a video? Or something. No, it can't be 10p a video. But whatever it is, it's cheap. 20p a video, whatever it is, it's cheap. It's not a lot to have a DIY of a video. And when you get it in a pack, it's just nice, man. You know, you make a nice little photo JPEG of all the different things in there. You can go on Photoshop and do all that, or if you don't know, you can figure out how to do that on YouTube. But it's not hard. It's not hard to do. A little JPEG, make it look fancy, show the price, $3.99. Buy my new pack of crafts. People are like, yeah, man. This is nice. So you imagine those two, just those two there, if you was doing it in a day, if you was doing 2 crafts and you're selling 2 things at £20 their day, and then you was knocking out this at £80. That's £100 profit total in a day. £100. That's disgusting. Boomba! £100. Do you see how I'm saying? This sort of business model is insane. It's great for people who love to craft. You can take your craft serious now, and you can take it to the next level, right? So let's work this out over 10 days. You did this over 10 days? That's £1,000. Bomba! It's disgusting, man. £1,000 doing crafts is not hard. And it probably won't take you long. Like I said, if you're crafting 2 things a day and it takes you like an hour to craft this or an hour to craft that, that's only 2 hours. That's not even part-time. That's part of a part-time job. You don't get that. You're making part of a part-time job. Your video packages are just flying off the shelf because people love the fact that they can just craft and go and learn how to craft, and they can make money now, you see? So this is a great business to start. Roll that over 30 days, what are you looking at? £3 a month. Boomba! Disgusting. You're making more than what average people, no, you're making more than what people who go to university, they study hard, long and hard at them books. Don't talk to me, I'm reading. No, I'm trying to read the book. I need to learn. I need to study. No, I won't do it. Because they close their eyes for long. I won't do it. I need to learn, no? You're making more than what these people go studying, all this business management, all this stuff. You're making more than them. People will be like, let me give you this for a second. People will be like, so what do you do? You like this one. What do you do? Oh, what, you work in Sudbury? Okay, cool. What do you do? Oh, you work in a cafe? Yeah, I've been there before, yeah. Now I just had some like beans on toast, innit? What do I do? Oh man, I just bloody craft, innit? What? Yeah, I just sell my craft. What do you mean? I just sell my craft, innit? What do you mean? Oh, I just put it online, innit? Is it? Okay. How much you make? About £3 a month. What? About £3 a month? What? That's what people are gonna say. What? £3 a month? That's mental. Guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Give me 10 likes. I'm gonna slowly increase my likes because I want more likes. I want 10 likes on this one. And yeah, make sure you share this to your friends as well, because there's so many people that can craft and they don't know how to really create it and turn it into a business model, you know? So yeah, share this. Make sure you smash my subscribe button, which I'm gonna bust in this corner. I'm busting it there. Click my subscribe button and make sure you click my notifications bell too. It's there. Click it so you don't miss no. I swear, sometimes that hurts, man. I'm gonna change that. I need to change that.